Everything heavy when we step out. You can't hang with a gang, you a sellout. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Welcome beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I transform my hair from looking dry and damaged to looking full, healthy and vibrant using a 6-step wash day routine. So this is how my hair has been looking. I've been wearing half wigs for the past month. I haven't taken out my hair out of some braids since December. And my ends are just not it. My hair is super dry. I have too much buildup going on. My split ends have split ends. I haven't done a trim in a minute and my hair is dying need of some TLC. So the first step is to pre-poo and detangle, and I'm using this Creme of Nature Plex Breakage Defense. Now I did an entire video using this line from Creme of Nature, so if you want to check out like that full thing. So what you want to do is before you wash your hair, you can do this on dry hair or wet hair, whichever you prefer, but since we're not doing this in the shower, I'm doing this in my recording room. I'm starting off with dry hair. So what you want to do is saturate your hair with this product from roots to end, and then you want to detangle. You only detangle when the hair is like have a lot of the product on there. So I just start from the ends and then work my way through. As soon as I put it on there, I don't know what kind of magic they got going on in this product, but as soon as it goes on your hair feels so slippery. Even in the dry state, like instantly it gets slippery and it's easy to detangle, so you're not like forcing your hair through as long as it's fully saturated. So as you guys can see, I put my hair in 4 sections to make this super easy to do. So I rinse that out with warm water because I need my hair to be wet to apply my shampoo. Now the shampoo that I'm using is from As I Am, and this is the Jamaican black castor oil shampoo. I've been using this shampoo for months now and it has to be one of my favorite shampoo. It has more like a conditioning feeling more than a shampoo, but at the same time you're feeling like your hair is being clean, like it's being cleansed to the best of its ability. Because usually with shampoo, sometimes I feel like it's stripping your hair. This feels like, I don't even know how to describe it, but it feels so moisturizing and all of that. So I do this in section. You know, you got to get that itch because my scalp be itching sometimes, girl, you know, and these nails be helping. So after I apply my shampoo, I'm going to rinse it out with warm water because I have low porosity hair. Now step 3 is the apple cider vinegar rinse. And first I'm going to use 3 ounces of water, and then I'm going to add 3 ounces of the apple cider. Now this is you're supposed to use equal amounts to dilute the apple cider, so you don't use like the raw vinegar on your skin or scalp. You feel what I'm saying? So with this rinse, you're going to focus mostly on the roots and on the scalp, and then work your way onto the hair itself. Now obviously you want to do this in the bathroom, but when I'm recording wash day, because I have eczema and I have low porosity skin, not low porosity skin, child. I have low porosity hair. Low porosity hair, I need to wash my hair in warm water so that the products and all that good stuff can penetrate my hair. However, I have eczema and I need to shower in cool water, so I can't wash my hair and have a bath at the same time, or else my skin will be on fire. Okay, so I usually wash my hair in my basement, but I can't be carrying all this equipment down my basement, so I'm gonna have to sit in the recording room. So I'm applying this all over my hair, and as you guys saw, I did this in sections. Like, I'm not even going to rush through this wash day. My hair needs it. Do you see how stringy them ends are? But child, don't worry, we're gonna get to that later on. So after I apply it to all 4 sections, and in my room it's smelling like vinegar and all over my face, but that's okay because it's gonna be worth it. So I'm gonna put a shower cap on there and leave that on for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out with warm water. Now for step 4 is the Aztec Clay Mask. Now this is supposed to remove toxins from your hair, moisturize it. It's useful for dry scalp, dry hair, all of that. So now I got my mixing bowl, and you don't want to use a metallic mixing bowl. You want to use plastic or glass, and you want to make sure that you're mixing with something plastic or glass, okay? Because like this is like freaking chemistry going on right now. So I applied the clay is that what it's called? Yes, the Aztec clay. And then I added the mixture of what do you call that? The mixture of vinegar and water. And then I just stir that up until I get a nice creamy consistency. Now I need to add my avocado oil, because avocado oil is so great for low porosity hair because it penetrates the hair shaft, and it's really great to add for moisture and retaining moisture. So I'm going to apply that from the roots to the ends, and we are doing this in as small sections as we can to make sure that we get it all over the hair. Someone asked, because I posted this on my Instagram story, how I got the consistency to be that creamy. It's just adding the mixture of water, the apple cider with the oil, and just keep using that until you get the mixture that you need. Obviously you saw that I didn't use anything special. Like I used that mixing spoon or regular spoon and just mix it out until I got what I wanted. Now that bowl alone only did like the front, like one section, so you're gonna keep mixing the mixture because I ran out a couple of times, so I had to mix it like 3 times. So I want to make sure that I get the roots. The roots are important, and all the way to the ends. Like, matter of fact, get all over your hair. Make sure that every strand of hair has this clay mask on there, okay? Because my hair needed all that good stuff. So I'm gonna leave that on for like 5 to 10 minutes, and this is how my hair is looking. If my hair didn't have them split ends, the curls would be popping more than anything else, but my hair feels so soft. It feels moisturized. Like, I could already feel the difference. Now for step 5, we're gonna deep condition, and I'm going back in with As I Am, and this is their Black Jamaican castor oil moisturizing mask. Now this is the truth when it comes to deep conditioning. I love As I Am products. I don't know, man, but their Jamaican castor oil line, bomb. Now for this, again, this wash day, I'm not trying to be lazy. I'm doing this and I'm taking my time. I'm doing this in sections, okay? Like, this is what happens when you rush through your wash days. Like, you don't take your time to actually go through your hair. So I'm doing this in 8 sections, and I apply the deep conditioner all over it, and then detangle and then twist it. So I'm trying to get as much of the product in my hair as possible so that my hair could just come out the best it can. Like, my hair needs the love. I've neglected it long enough. It needs love. So applying that, the mask makes my hair feel so soft. It's like butter. Like, I'm coming through butter. So far so good. The ends are still bugging me, but you know, it's process and it takes time, but I know the end results are gonna be bomb. So I'm just gonna keep applying the mask all over my hair, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. So I just put it all over, and I put on a shower cap and then a heating cap and leave that on for about 20 minutes. Now I rinse that out with warm water, and this is how my hair is looking, guys. My hair feels so soft. Oh my god, like, it feels so soft, but again, the ends are bugging me. It is time to get rid of those ends. My hair feels healthy and soft. People don't like to trim. I don't even know how to trim properly, but we're gonna do this. So to trim my ends, I need to see where my split ends are. I need to see where is damaged, and when my hair is in this state, it's a little bit harder to see to the full extent, because I would see a little stringy hair here and there, and I'll just cut them off, but I don't see it because I'm not a professional until my hair is blown out. That is when I really see the damage. Now you're gonna use heat protectant, of course, okay, because we're gonna be blow drying. You need your heat protectant. We ain't playing after doing all that moisturizing and good stuff. We need to make sure that we protect our hair. Now I ain't got no fancy blow dryer, nothing like that. I just got my Amazon $30 blow dryer, and this is my method of blow drying my hair. I stretch it a little bit, My blow dry is on warm, so it's not gonna be like super straight. I don't mind that. I just need to see the ends. So once I get it a little bit straight, or as straight as I want it, I can literally see the stringy ends, and I'm gonna just cut that off. I'm not even playing with it. I'm not preserving nothing. I'm not gonna say, oh my god, like too short, whatever. No, as long as I see the stringy dead ends, they are coming off. So again, I'm not a professional, so I'm like literally like trying to make sure that I get as much of the dead end as I can. So then I twist the hair after I cut it, and then I cut it some more. So I'm just gonna keep looking, but at the same time, you don't want to damage the shape of your hair. Like, you don't want it to look crazy and lopsided. Lord Jesus, Jamaica just popped up a while ago. You don't want your hair to look like weird. So you want to be mindful of how you're cutting it in terms of shaping. And guys, yeah, like just cutting off them dead ends. And I'm just gonna move my hair around like what I see these professional stylists do until like I get the split ends and the dead ends. Usually I go to my natural hair salon to get my hair like treated for the year, maybe once, and then the rest I can do myself. But between lockdown, Toronto has been in lockdown since November, and we're in January. Like, I'm over it, so I gotta do it myself. So I did that all over my hair. Like, I did it in sections to make sure that I get as much of the dead ends as I can. Okay guys, so this is how my hair is looking. The split ends are gone and my hair is feeling healthier already. Yes, so I'm just gonna take the scissors and take off some excess ones that I didn't catch or I'm seeing and all of that. And this is how my hair turned out. So I did a full styling video, which is gonna be in another video because this video is already too long. So I did a styling, I did a flexi rod set, and it came out amazing and full. So you guys will see that video right after this one. Like, I'm gonna post it the day after. So if you want to see the style, don't worry, I got y'all. Don't worry, you're gonna see how I do it. And this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @DamnThat'sChev. Leave your comments down below. What is your routine for healthy hair? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, come Stella. Let me